How to make only followers that you follow back can comment on your posts on TikTok now. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to do it easy and quick. First open TikTok now and then click on your profile here, and now click these three lines, and after that click privacy, and here you will find it comments, and here we'll find it followers that you follow back, and click on it, and that's it. I hope that can help you. It's easy. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.